draw. Shapes and colors, wow, wow, paw. Circle, square, a rainbow too. Let's draw stars and sky so blue. Red, green, yellow, pink. Dip your brush and blink, blink, blink. Draw, draw, draw with Chinky. Fun and bright and inky. Line by line, oh what a start. We make magic, we make art. Wiggle, wiggle, squiggle, splat. Draw a bunny, draw a cat. Scribble here and color there. Chinky's drawing everywhere. Hands up high, crayons out. Let's all cheer and jump and shout. Draw with joy from heart to part. We're the kings and queens of art. Draw, draw, draw with Chinky. Fun and bright and inky. Every line's a happy start with Chinky Drawing Arts. Chinky says, "Come on, let's play." Color time is every day. Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass, oh me, oh my. Grab your markers, paint and pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to top. We won't stop. Flip, flop, pop. Up and down, side to side. Chinky's colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every art. Color time, yay, hooray. We make art in every way. Chinky's world is bright and fun. Let's keep drawing everyone.
You must try this.
Nice.